Is an update with regards to a stock called G R Infraprojects. This company has engaged in EPC projects primarily in road, highway, railway, metro, and infrastructure development across India. The stock has jumped after receiving a contract worth 4,263 crore with a market cap of 10,073 crores. The the price was trading 2.3% higher. This was an update for Friday. On 30th of April, the subsidiary signed a contract with National Highways Authority of India. Agreement was for the construction of six-lane Agra-Gwalior Highway Greenway, improvement of existing section under DBF40 model at the Bot Toll Mode. Project cost 4,262 crores. Order book 16,886 crores, mainly distribution across road projects 70%, followed by transmission 9%, tunnel works 8%, metro rail 5%. Smaller shares come from MMLP, OFC segments, client base, NHAI, MORTH, MSRDC, NHIDCL. Some other names are there for your review. So revenue decreased from 2,134 crores to 1,694 crores, a decrease of 20%. Net profit has grown by 8% from 243 crores to 263 crores. That is quarter 3 FY24 to quarter 3 FY25. So, important disclaimer: all investment opinions and recommendations mentioned are solely those of the respective experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. These views do not reflect my personal opinion or advice. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial losses. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any losses resulting from the decisions based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Yeah. So, some other important information apart from this project, there is other NH341 upgradation project that the company is currently doing, which is from Bhimasar to Anjur Bhuj, then NH71 four laning in Andhra Pradesh, then Pune Ring Road construction. G R Infraprojects is involved in constructing a section of Ring Road East, specifically from Soneri to Gared, then Nagpur Chandrapur Expressway. They are also building a stretch of Nagpur Chandrapur Access Control Super Communication Expressway. Then this is the logo of the company. This is the current price. You can see it's about 1,055 rupees as of this morning. Overall, last 5 days it has lost about 2.8%. Value addition of about 5% in the last 1 month. Last 6 months, company has given a negative return of 33%, and for the past year, almost down 23%. So ownership strength is missing. The benchmark stock is at a premium valuation. Company knows how to utilize its assets well. The company possesses stable growth history and manageable debt. Price to book value of 1.35, face value 5 rupees, book value 788, cash of 410 crores, debt of 738 crores, promoter holding 74.7%, earnings per share last 12 months 199, sales growth minus 4%, return on equity 31%, profit growth 132%. And these are some peer comparisons. You can see uh, companies available as low as 160 to as high as 2,675. Market cap varies from 7,500 crores to 16,500 crores. This is an important factor. Return on equity, ITD cementation 27%, power mech projects 24%, techno electric and engineering 17%, the NCC 20%, Afcons Infra 25%, Ircon International 23%, Kalpatura Projects 14%, ISEG Heavy Engineering 16%, KPI Green Energy 20%, So DII is 20%, public holding of 3%, FI is 2.84. So you can see that the such a low public holding of 3% is going to be a great asset in terms of price stability and in terms of price stock volume volatility. So because there's less amount of public holding, the stock would be relatively stable. The stock would not find itself in the oversold zone because there would be less trading volumes of this stock. So incorporated in 1995 is an integrated road procurement construction EPC company with an experience in design and construction of various road highway projects across 15 states in India. It undertakes civil construction projects under the EPC and build operate transfer basis in the road sector. Then again some comparisons: high of 1,860, current price of 1,051, stock PE 10.8, which is good, book value 821, which also seems to be fair, dividend yield of 1.19%, ROE 15.6%. See the comparison between the two sites. ROCE here is 17%, on the other website is showing us 35%, face value 5 rupees. Company has delivered poor sales growth of 11% in the last 5 years. Earnings include another income of 600 crores, so something for you to look into. Then another comparison. Here you have an additional of Rail Vikas and IRB Infra development. The stock P is high, though the price of IRB Infra is 45, still a very cheap stock price to buy. Market capitalization is 27,000 crores, which is a good advantage. You can look through analyze the company and then consult a stockbroker for further investment options in that company. Then you can see this revenue has reduced in the last quarter. That is the reason of a bit of a concern. Net profit has been improving quarter on quarter, however, not as expected in comparison to the March FY24 quarter. Earnings per share have been improving again. You can see year on year the sales revenue has dropped, which is a concern. Net profit has also dropped. You can see sales growth of minus 15%, profit growth of minus 19%, CAGR price minus 25%. So last year hasn't been too great for the company. There is potential for an upside based on the current new projects that the company is undertaking with an order book of 16,000 crores. I'm sure the overall book value as well as the add value addition value that the company would update in the next 2 years should be significant. Return on equity in the last year is 16%, less than the previous years, which is a sort of cause of concern. You can see reserves are gradually increasing, which is a good sign. Uh, Debtor days have reduced to 13, which is a very good sign. Working capital days have increased slightly, and it has been increasing year on year, which is a concern. Probably the company is not able to manage those assets well, which is putting pressure on the working capital requirements. Return on capital, as you see, has been inconsistent in the last 4 5 years. So, friends, thank you for watching. That is all for today. This is an update to the video or the information updated yesterday. So, thanks for watching. Wish you a good week ahead. Please like, share, comment, and also share this with your associates, families, and friends, those who would benefit from this information. Please also leave your valuable feedback on improving the content of this video and the overall data presentation that is being offered. Thank you so much for watching.